Engaging, hands-on, exciting, real world. This is P-Tech, a new innovative high school pathway open to 9th grade students. Led by Capital Region BOCES, P-Tech partners business, industry, college, and high school together to give you the change you've been waiting for. When you choose a P-Tech program, you'll spend the next 4 to 6 years on the fast track to a high school diploma, a no-cost college degree in a high-tech, in-demand field, and at the front of the line for a job with our industry partners in the growing field of information technology. Step outside the classroom and into the field with our growing list of business partners. If you're motivated to learn in new and exciting ways, if you're innovative and creative, if you're interested in science, technology, engineering, or math, if you're a great team player, or you're just interested in preparing for a career, then P-Tech wants you. Applications are being accepted now and are due by January 28th. Open houses will be December 6th and January 9th. Visit the Capital Region BOCES website for more information about P-Tech.